Hey guys, what's up? This is an unboxing of the Amazon Basics Xbox One controller. It is the wired version, as you can see here. It was on sale for Prime Day, and I want to play Fortnite without being totally awful at it. So, let us get into this. And notice I have cut my nails, so you can stop dragging me in the comments now. Thank you. We don't have a knife because we're a poor channel, so we're gonna have to use these scissors. Okay, these are hair shears. People use them to cut their hair. I'm gonna use them to cut this label. Okay, that was it. And this is inside the box. There is another box. Nope, it wasn't. It was just a part of this box. And here it is. It is right here. I keep hitting the tripod. I am so sorry. What else is in here? This piece of paper with these words on it. There are no words on the back. There is something else in here. I can't see because I'm behind the tripod. Words, more words, and a picture. And his Amazon Basics. Now, I have never, ever in my life touched an Xbox One controller, so I have no idea what the real ones feel like. So, if they are not like this, I don't know. I cannot tell you that. This is not a review. This is an unboxing. Here it is. Here are the buttons. Here are the clicks. Can you hear the clicks? Hold on. Let me put it to the mic. You'll hear the clicks now. These are the thumbsticks. These are the buttons. These are the triggers. These are the triggers on top of the triggers. This is the start button. This is the back button. This is the middle button. This is the D-pad. I played 360 quite a bit, mostly Halo. And I played the original Xbox quite a bit, mostly Halo. Because Halo is the best. Yes, I am one of those people. Even though I've never played online, I only played locally multiplayer with my brother, because that's what happens when you're twins. You have to play multiplayer, or else your parents get really mad. Okay, here it looks. Here's what it looks like on this nice background that's conveniently placed here for your convenience, so you don't see my messy bed. There you go. Okay, some notes. This part is longer than normal. It's kind of like a PS4 controller. It's not fat like here. It's usually like more turned inward and like chubbier and shorter on Xbox controllers. At least that's how it was on the Xbox 360 controllers. And this is not actually like metal, like a little cutout here like it normally is. It's actually like a little sticker, you know, like those little stickers they put on iPhone buttons. That's what it kind of looks like. And this is the wire. I just take this out, right? Okay, let me take it out. I'm such a bad YouTuber. Okay, so this part disconnects like that. Remember we used to play these games and then someone will trip over your cord and then it just snaps out like this? Well, apparently that's a feature and not a bad design. What? Silly me. That's what I used to think when I was little. And that is the Xbox One. And that is the Xbox One controller, wired for PC, and I guess you can also play PC games with it because I'm gonna play Fortnite with it. Okay, enjoy these cinematic shots of this controller. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and smash that like button. That's what they say these days, right? Okay, bye.